kill. Yank on the face, and she throws the hapless pelican off balance. With her wings tucked in, she dives at up to 240 miles per hour. The peregrine falcon. She's got eyes so sharp, she can pick out prey from a mile away. A kill in midair. 5 times her body weight. The brown pelicans ignore her warnings. A dangerous mistake. A yank on the face, and she throws the hapless pelican off balance. 1 down. But while she's going after the pelicans, a real threat is making its way toward the nest. A 5-foot-long gopher snake. And they can easily kill an unprotected falcon chick. But nothing escapes her eye. A single strike with her claws is all it takes. Nothing comes between this mother and her brood.